Good afternoon, my students. Back again in a new lesson in our series, Interchange series. As you see on the whiteboard, the title for our lesson is Time for a Change. It's the title of our unit 3, as you see. Looking at the board, it's divided into some columns. The first column is assigned for the new vocabulary, in case we have some new vocabulary. Here we have the title of our grammatical rule that we are going to handle together, which is wish. Then we have the title, as I have just mentioned right now. Then the date of today, May 4th, 2020. Okay. Then we have the learning objectives. So what is the object of our lesson today? Honestly speaking, by the end of our lesson, we have to know how to learn how to make a wish of something at the present time. And when I talk about the present time, I mean the current time. I mean the time when I am saying or telling something. Okay? Right now, I mean. As for our wish, it's how to make a wish at the present time. So what does it mean? Honestly speaking, here I have to focus on the simple past tense. So what I would like to say, in order to express a wish at the present time, I have to use the simple past form of the verb. Again, I repeat, the verb. How come? Here, for example, I have a sentence saying what? I live with my parents. Again, my sentence, I live with my parents. What is the verb of my sentence here? Honestly speaking, it's live. So here, this is the main verb that I would like to focus on. First of all, I have to start with the subject. It's I. So, I. Then the verb which expresses the wish. So, I wish. Then, again, I. I wish I didn't live with my parents anymore. Nobody would like to live with his parents anymore, okay? So, again my sentence, I live with my parents. So here we have someone who is expressing his wish that he doesn't like to live with his parents anymore. How can he express his wish? So he would like to say, he will start with, I wish, okay? I'm talking about myself. I wish. I then didn't live. It's simple past, negative simple past form. So, I wish I didn't live. I cannot say, I wish I don't live. Because, again, as I have mentioned earlier, we are focusing on the simple past tense in order to express a wish at the present time. So, again, I wish I didn't live with my parents anymore. Okay, let's have one more example. I don't have enough money. Someone is talking or someone is expressing a sentence. I don't have enough money right now. For example, how can I express my wish here? So I will start, I wish. Then I. The verb here is have. To get it in the simple past form, it's had. So I wish I had enough money. I wish I had enough money. So right now he doesn't have. It's his wish. Okay? One more example. I wish I could. Okay? I wish I could move out. I wish I could move out. But there is something here that we would like to change. It's the verb could. Okay? So we are going to write it in the simple present form. So it's what? It's I wish, okay, yes, again, I wish I could move out. So my sentence here is, I can't move out. Someone is telling us a sentence or expressing something. He says, he can't move out right now. Maybe it's raining outside. How can he express his wish here? So, I wish, then the simple past form of can't, it's could. So the past form of can is could. I wish I could move out. Okay? One more example here. it's the weather is very hot. Let's imagine that the weather outside is very hot. Okay? The weather is very hot. So my wish here is, I wish. I'm talking about myself. Okay? I wish it. Okay. So take into your consideration that here, it, okay, is referring to the weather. So again, I wish it were cold. There is something I would like to clarify here. When I have verb to be, or when I express a wish using verb to be, I have to get it in the simple past form, where with all subjects, either I, he, she, it, we, or they. Why? Here it's a special case because we are talking about, or we are expressing a wish. So again, verb to be here should be where with all subjects. Okay? So that was about our grammatical rule. Again, it's wish. So looking at the board, here we have the rule, yes, the grammatical box that we were speaking about right now on the whiteboard. Below that chart we have exercise A. Read these facts about people's lives. Then rewrite the sentences using wish. So here we have from 1 through 7. We would like to express those people's wish. How can we do it? Let's do it together. As for sentence number 1, it's Diane can't wear contact lenses. Okay? Again, my sentence, Diane can't wear contact lenses. So here, the main verb of my sentence is can't. So logically, can't will be in the simple past form. It's what? It's could. Okay? It's what? It's could. So to express that wish, it's gonna be like what? She. It's my subject because it's referring to a female person, Diane. So she. Then, what is the verb of wish here? What is the verb that expresses wish here? It's wish plus S because it's simple present. She wishes. She again. Then the simple past form of can, which is could. She wishes she could wear contact lenses. Okay? Let's have one more example here. Beth's class is so boring. Again, Beth's class is so boring. How can I express about Beth's wish here? So, again, it's or she is a female person. So, the subject who is referring to Beth is she. She wishes her class, is it was or were? No, it's where. Okay? Although we have class as singular noun, but again we are talking or we are expressing a wish. Since we are talking about or expressing a wish, all verbs should be in the simple past form of were, not was. Okay? So she wishes her class weren't so boring. Okay? Let's have one more example, which is number 3. My parents can't afford a new car. They cannot buy a car, okay? Or they cannot buy a new car. My parents can't afford a new car. Okay, so first of all, we have to think of the subject of my sentence, which is, yes, here we have my parents. It's the plural noun, okay? So our subject or our pronoun referring to that is they. So they, okay, I will write it on the board. Number 3, yes, they. What is the verb which expresses wish? It's wish, okay? So they wish, okay? Not wishes because here we have plural subject they. They wish, okay? Then I will repeat the subject again. They. They wish, they, okay? Then let's have the verb. Our main verb here is can, okay? It's a modal verb. The simple past form of can is yes, could. So again, they wish, they could, okay? Then the verb afford, yes, a new one, okay? So again, they wish, they could afford a new one. That is our answer for my point number 3. Okay, let's have one more example here. Yes, number 6. So for number 6, Laura doesn't have any free time. Again, Laura. Okay, bear in your mind that Laura is a female person. So Laura doesn't have any free time. I will start my sentence with, yes, it's number 6, with she, referring to a male, no, a female person, Laura. So it's a she. Then my main verb here is have. The simple past form of have is yes, had. Okay, so she, okay, she wishes, then she had, okay, she wishes, she had, then we have any free time. It's the rest of my sentence. She wishes, she had any free time. Okay, that was the answer for number 6. Okay, right now I will leave some points or some numbers just for you to have it as an exercise. So I will leave for you 4, 5, and 7. So please try to go through those 3 points. Try to answer them. In case you have any problem, try to contact me on the website, okay, just to answer or explain it for you. Thank you so much.